Good Tuesday morning, and thanks for logging on to tdsweather.com. I'm meteorologist Joseph Cooper with your central and southern Illinois and eastern Missouri forecast for today. Out there this morning, we still have rain showers and thunderstorms moving on across the forecast area. In fact, we have a severe thunderstorm warning out there into eastern portions of the state this morning. I think for a lot of us here into St. Louis, back out towards Carlinville, kind of the western portions of Illinois, or eastern portions of Missouri, a lot of our thunderstorm activity is pretty much done as that cold front is now moving through. But we will start to see the continuing rain showers here into the next few hours before they come to an end. If we take the radar off here, you can see where that cold front is in place. We're at 63 in Mount Vernon, we're at 52 at St. Louis, and then we're in 47 in Springfield. So that cold air, that cooler air, is going to be filtering on in here as we work on through this morning into the afternoon, and the rainfall is going to be exiting. So as we get into the next couple of hours, this is 9 a.m. heading into 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. I think, like I said, into the next hour or two into St. Louis, most of this activity is going to be over with, at least for today. And then as we get on into this evening, into tonight, it's going to be pushing on off to the east as well. This is by this afternoon into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 o'clock. The frontal boundary will be in place down south of I-70, so some continuing scattered showers and thunderstorms into southern portions of the state, from essentially like Cape Girardeau to Mount Vernon back down towards Paducah, Kentucky. That's where any kind of activity this afternoon will be. As we go on into 6, 7, 8 o'clock this evening, dry weather is in place here. We're going to continue with clouds, though, as we work through the daytime hours stay into tonight. There may be a few areas of clearing, or some clearer skies locally, but clouds will build right back in. As we head through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, dry weather's in place. We're still seeing some clouds sticking around, but skies will clear tomorrow morning as the surface wave of low pressure departs the region. And as we go through the day, we'll see more sunshine here, although I don't know that we'll become completely sunny. And then as you go on into noon, 1 o'clock, 2, 3, 4, 5 p.m. tomorrow evening, dry weather is going to remain in place, and that continues tomorrow night and as we work into Thursday morning. By 5, 6, 7 a.m. Thursday morning, maybe a couple sprinkles around, but for the most part, the morning hours on Thursday are dry. But we will be seeing another area of low pressure move on in here later Thursday, and you can see by Thursday, by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, rainfall's moving on into the forecast area. So Thursday, especially late afternoon into the evening, rainfall looks to become likely and continue into Thursday late evening into the overnight, and probably on into Friday as well, as this area of low pressure moves on through. As far as rainfall is concerned today, most of us probably seeing less than 1/10 of an inch of additional precipitation to the St. Louis area. If you're back out towards the east, Effingham, out towards, places like Martinsville, back up towards Urbana-Champaign, you guys could see, more widespread, probably 1/10 to 3/10 of an inch of rainfall, with maybe some localized spots of 1 inch to 1.5 inches under some of the heavier thunderstorms. But, like I said, St. Louis, Springfield, Alton, Jerseyville, St. Charles, those areas, 1/10 of an inch or less of additional precipitation expected here for today. By the time we work into the afternoon, this is by noon, you can see where the cold front's located. 51 in Springfield, 56 in St. Louis, but you head to Paducah and it's 68, and that cold front's going to kind of slowly meander to the south as we work through the afternoon to the evening. This is by 6 p.m. and then overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, we'll see lows that will drop into the upper 30s to low 40s, and then for tomorrow, while we'll be cooler, we're not going to be cold. We'll still be into the middle to even some upper 50s out there for highs on Wednesday. And as we have a look at the next 7 days, 58 today, 59 tomorrow, and then more rainfall Thursday on into Friday as well as Saturday. 61 on Thursday, 64 on Friday, 50 on Saturday, then we're drier on Sunday and Monday, 54 on Sunday and 58 on Monday. That's all I have for you this morning. Thanks for logging on.